Hello and welcome to part 2 of the 1962 Bolens Husky 600. This morning we've been looking at the tractor, getting a feel for it, and we've noticed some more things, but we'll come to that when we get to that part of the project. The first thing we're going to do is replace put tubes in the rear tyres so it's easier to move. As you can see here, there's wear from where this tyre has been sitting flat for quite a while. And you can also see on the valve here that it's perished. So we've got some new tubes. These tyres don't have tubes in them usually, so we're putting them in so they're more durable. The reason we have two is because we're going to do the other side as well, because at the moment the other side is okay, but just to make it so it lasts, we'll put them in that side as well. There we go, all three on this side done. There we go. Both tyres off. We're going to be starting with this wheel. As you can see, this is the one that's got a flat spot on it. You can see how badly the oil seal has been leaking where we couldn't get to when we were washing it. Time to take the tyre off the rim. We had quite a bit of trouble getting the tyre off, but now that we've got the tyre off, you can see that the valve isn't just perished, it's actually partly snapped in half. And in these tyres, they do actually have tubes. We've got the old tube out. We had to vacuum up inside because there was a lot of debris in there. We felt around and there's no form still in there. These are the new tubes. They've got, you may notice, a kind of thinner valve, a TR13 valve, I believe. And we've got this adapter, since the hole is for a bigger valve, that just goes over here that stops the valve vanishing into the tyre. We've got the first one done here. It wasn't very easy to get the tyre back on the rim, probably because it was an old tyre, but time to repeat this process on the other one. there you go. Final tyre done. We put new tubes in this one and we're keeping the old tubes as spares. We've got both tyres ready to fit now, and one spare inner tube to go in the spares box. But before we finish, I'd like to talk about this envelope I just got in the post all the way from Missouri. This is from a subscriber, someone I've subscribed to and that follows me, Missouri Oldtimer, has sent me some of his stickers. And I'm now going to put them alongside my Burning Dinosaurs sticker on my toolbox. The toolbox looks very good with another sticker on it. Thank you to Vernon, Missouri Oldtimer. I will provide a link in the description to his channel. I encourage you to go and check it out. But that's all we've got time for this video. See you in the next one. Bye. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and see our other videos. More to follow as we do more on this tractor. Bye.